Guys, these are our ingredients and let's get into it. So we have our minced garlic, we have our Conch stock, the star of the show, our Conch, and we have some salt and pepper right here. So today we'll be doing a garlic Conch. Yes guys.
So alright guys, so right now we have the pot on the fire heating up, so we're gonna get over there, add some oil and get on with the cooking. So forward with it.
Let's go. That is it, right? Magic.
So the smoke coming up. Alright, so we're gonna add some oil. Just a little.
Yes guys. That will do. That's good.
So now we're gonna add some bay leaf.
Get these nice and roasted so the flavors is busting. You can see the pot is really hot because it is getting really brown. Yes guys.
Now we're gonna add the garlic. Everything.
Yes, look at that. Beautiful.
Coming along with the Conch.
All in everything. Aroma is a perfume for the kitchen. Salt and pepper. Yes, guys, you know how we do it. Beautiful. This is so aromatic guys. It's really lovely. The aroma
is a perfume for the kitchen.
Yes.
Now the stock. We need the stock to deglaze the pot.
Yes guys. Allow this to come to a simmer and everything to just marry and come together. So that's what we're waiting on, right?
Alright, so we want this to come to a rapid boil before we go any further.
Not a boil guys, a simmer.
A simmer.
Look at that.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Reid.
Yes. See that? We're getting there, right? Beautiful. Guys, leave it down in the comment section and let us know if you've ever had garlic Conch or you know just the regular curried Conch.
Alright guys, so now I'm gonna add a little white wine.
Enhance that flavor from the garlic, the bay leaf, bring up that chef's kiss. Yeah, try it if you haven't, right? Beautiful guys, the aroma is really lovely. I can tell you, when you're cooking this, the neighborhood will be lining up at your gate. Yeah, it's really lovely.
We're gonna add a small taste of the globalist interaction Scotch bonnet sauce.
Yes guys, you don't know.
It's well hot, so we just need a little.
When you're doing seafood, Scotch bonnet, it's a must on the list. But the globalist interactions pepper sauce, Scotch bonnet pepper sauce, you don't need to use a whole lot, just a little bit and adjust to your liking because remember it's Scotch bonnet, you know, really hot.
Yeah guys, so we're getting somewhere. So now add a little of the leftover stock. Just to enhance the richness in the flavor. Alright, so we're gonna make this come to a simmer soon forward.
So forward.
Yes, guys, so right now, the final thing, we're gonna add some pimento seed. Give it a toss. And that's it for now. The next time you see us, we'll be plating. So forward with it over to the plating station.
Let's go. Yes guys, and this is the plate. So you know the do. Start dropping the comments guys. You know the vibe.
everything.
Everything, guys. Beautiful. Lovely, isn't it? The aroma is so lovely, guys. This is smelling really good.
Look at that.
Coming together nicely. Magic, right? Magic. Beautiful. That's how we do our garlic conch with that nice golden bummies. That's the vibe. Tell me what side you would have this with, or what accompaniment you would have it with. Leave that down in the comment section down below and let us know. You have to quiet when all these nice things going on, you know, guys. And that's it. Bam! A wrap right there. Remember, follow our TikTok. That's Cooking with the Reids. Yes, we've changed our channel name. I was wondering if anybody noticed. We changed our channel name, and our TikTok name has changed as well. So we're now Cooking with the Reids. Follow our Instagram as well. We post platings over there. Yes, guys. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?